Jenhair, top 1 wholesale hair vendor in Vietnam. Jenhair is proud to be one of the largest hair wholesale companies in Vietnam. From a small-scale factory, thanks to unceasing development, Jenhair has become the leading hair factory in terms of annual export volume. We have established a sustainable global network of customers by providing high-quality products and reputable services. It proves that Jenhair is deserved to be the best hair company in the world. Jenhair provides 100% human hair, which comes in numerous products to meet the demands of different markets worldwide, namely bulk, weft, closure, and frontal. In addition, I-tip, U-tip, flat tip, wig, etc. are also being studied and will soon be added to our official catalog to satisfy increasingly diverse requirements of customers. We always put quality over quantity, along with more than 20 years of experience in the hair industry. Customers will agree that Jenhair's products have superior quality compared to other products on the market. Besides, we also own Jarita brand, aiming to provide hair treatment products such as keratin shampoo, collagen, hair conditioner. Jenhair owns a 5,000 square meter factory, the largest hair factory in Vietnam, which is located in Ninh Bình province. In addition, Jenhair has 8 sub-factories with total area of more than 10,000 square meters. Moreover, equipment and machinery systems are especially paid attention and continuously improved and upgraded. It means that Jenhair possesses fast and professional manufacturing process that will meet all the needs of orders all over the world. Having gone through a strong development, now Jenhair's customer network has covered all over the world and conquered a number of high-standard markets, such as Russia and Europe. We have exported to over 120 countries with more than 1,500 partners and received a lot of appreciation for our products and service quality. Due to high quality, criteria requires a meticulous and elaborate production process combined with high technology. Jenhair's hair production line is always the most modern and advanced one in Vietnam. Our factories currently consist of 4 main areas: main workshop, bleaching workshop, drying house, and warehouse. Jenhair always focuses on checking the quality of input products. After purchasing virgin hair from women, especially those who live in highlands with shiny and healthy hair, the Ingredients Management Department will have responsibility to check and reevaluate each hair strand in terms of cuticle standards, bleaching ability, fiber quality. Therefore, our products always meet all the strict requirements of customers, such as bleaching or dyeing. After a careful material selection process, each bundle will be carefully woven by a loom system imported from Japan. After weaving, we use 3 machines to ensure our weaving is straight and correct, most accurate. This system of 20 sewing machines can work continuously and produce tons of weft hair, no shedding, no tangling, per month. Bone straight hair are Jenhair's strength. Why are we able to make such high-quality bone straight hair? After weaving, the hair is put through the process of applying moisturizers, conditioners, and straighteners to create smooth hair. Each worker will carefully and professionally press the hair products that have been infused with the straightener and moisturizer to create the final bone straight. The meticulousness in our straightening results is bright, silky bone straight products. The staff are professionally trained and have extremely high technical skills. Make sure customers receive the best bone straight hair. For the Russian market and the European, we have high color hair that is processed through many stages after bleaching and coloring. We handle each bundle very carefully and meticulously, including filtering the tangled hair by combing it through and picking the tangled hair by hand. This ensures the standard length of hair for customers. Not only about the length, we use electronic scales to ensure that the weight of each bundle is the most standard, 99 to 106 grams. When it comes to customers, not only quality but also quantity is guaranteed. Jenhair is different from other hair factories and companies around the world by Jenhair Color Hair. With modern machines imported directly from Switzerland and Japan, Jenhair's bleaching and dyeing process is very different. Hair goes through 5 steps to get color. After bleaching and decoloring, the hair retains its strength due to the careful selection of ingredients. Then the hair is washed through water and dyed according to the customer's request, even high colors easily. At Jenhair, we are able to blow dry with steam technology, which keeps hair moisturized and soft. However, with high color products, so as not to affect the color, we have built a room to dry the hair naturally in the right environment, helping the hair color to be the most standard according to customer requirements. The final product will be stored in our dedicated warehouses. Here, with the right temperature and humidity, after about 1 day, it will reach the maximum quality. From there, our QC staff will check again to make sure each bundle is the most beautiful and will be sent for customers. To support customers in all countries in the best way, Jenhair has a professional sales team, 24/7 customer support anytime, anywhere. Each of our employees has a market and understanding and language proficiency to best serve that market. Thanks to the guaranteed product quality, the professionalism of the specialist department, along with the excellent customer support service, have made Jenhair successful today. We always recognize and appreciate the cooperation of all customers from all over the world. Each product before being sent is carefully checked by the warehouse department for quantity and quality. We only cooperate with reputable shipping companies so that customers can receive the products in the fastest and safest way. Therefore, our revenue has grown continuously over the years, even during the COVID epidemic.
Xin chào, welcome to Jenhair Vietnam. Everyone asks me the difference between the Jenhair Vietnam and another hair company in Vietnam. We are high confident to say that is the hair quality. Jenhair Vietnam guarantee about hair quality. We try to improve quality every day to meet customer requirements. That's what so 90% Jenhair customer is the old customer. They order and satisfy and keep buying every month. We hope we can bring Jenhair quality to more and more customers over around the world. And one day we will become the most reliable hair supplier in Vietnam.